Hello everyone. Today we have x plus 8 raised to power 2 equals to 64 and s is the unknown. So we're going to say solution, and since the power is 2, we end up having two answers. So here we're going to use two methods, and the first method will involve x plus 8 raised to power 2 minus 64 is equals to 0. And here we're going to say x plus 8 raised to power 2 minus 8 raised to power 2 is equals to 0, because 8 times 8 is equals to 64. Here is in the form of difference of 2 square, and we're going to use the algebraic identity that says a square minus b square is equals to a plus b, a minus b, where our a is this s plus 8 and our b is 8. So if we put in our values, I'm going to have x plus 8 our a plus 8 our b in bracket, and x plus 8 our a minus 8 our b equals to 0. So if you simplify further, we're going to have x plus 16 and x, 8 can cancel 8, equals to 0. Here we apply the zero product rule that say x plus 16 equals 0 or x equals 0. Here is the first value for x, and s here is equals to minus 16. And this is the first method. So in the second method, we will apply an algebraic rule that says a plus b squared is equals to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And our a is x, our b is 8. So if we do this, we're having x squared plus 2 times x plus 8 plus 8 squared equals to 64. So s squared plus 16s plus 8 squared equals to 64. S squared plus 16s plus 64 is equals to 64. So if you bring 64 to the left hand side, s squared plus 16s plus 64 minus 64 will be equal to 0. So if you do this, we're going to have s squared plus 16s equal to 0. So 64 can cancel out. Here we can factor out. If we bring out s squared divided by s will be left with s plus 16s divided by s, that is 16, equals to 0. And here we can have s to be equal to 0, or x plus 16 equal 0. And this is our first value, and s here will be minus 16 as second value. So for the two methods, we arrive at the same answer. So to verify, so we have our original equation as s plus 8 squared equals 64. For s equals 0, 0 plus 8 squared equals 64. So 8 squared equals 64. 64 is equals to 64, which is correct. For our second value, x plus 8 squared equals 64. Minus 16 plus 8 squared equals 64. Minus 16 plus 8, that is minus 8 squared equals 64. Minus 8 squared is 64. It equals 64, which also satisfies the original equation. That shows that the value of x that we got are actually the real values. Thank you for staying tuned. Bye-bye.